Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's lecture, we will briefly but technically discuss the plate load test, an important in-situ test used in foundation engineering. We will cover the definition, purpose, procedure, and result interpretation. Let's start. Definition. The plate load test is an in-situ load test performed at foundation level to evaluate the load settlement behavior of soil and to estimate its ultimate and allowable bearing capacity by applying load on a rigid steel plate. Purpose of plate load test. This test is conducted to verify design bearing capacity, to assess immediate settlement behavior, to select appropriate foundation type, to validate geotechnical investigation results. It is commonly used for heavy and critical structures such as powerhouses, bridge foundations, and industrial buildings. Test setup and procedure. A rigid steel plate is placed on a level soil surface at foundation depth. Load is applied through a hydraulic jack against a suitable reaction system. Load is applied in equal increment, that is 20%. Settlement is measured using dial gauges mounted on an independent datum frame. Each load stage is maintained until a settlement stabilizes. Now failure criteria. Failure is identified when rapid increase in settlement occur with little load increase or settlement reaches 10% of plate diameter or 25 mm, depending on soil type and specifications. Interpretation of results. A load settlement curve is plotted. Ultimate bearing capacity is obtained from the curve. Allowable bearing capacity is calculated using an appropriate factor of safety. Engineering judgment is required when extrapolating result to actual footing size due to scale effect. Now limitations. Represent soil behavior at shallow depth only. Does not accurately predict long-term settlement in clay. Plate size effects influences results. Therefore, plate load test should be used in combination with borehole and laboratory data. In summary, the plate load test provides a direct assessment of soil performance under load and is a valuable tool for foundation design when executed and interpreted correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Inshallah, in the next video, we will discuss complete plate load test calculation and numerical examples. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.